Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Monday evening. And this is just going to be a real quick video on how my trading went for the day, show my P&L, and just my account balances, kind of how things went for the day. I'm going to do this going forward, at least if possible, unless I have something that I can't get the video out, but I'm going to try and do it every day and just do the summary videos every day, just to summarize how my trades went and just a quick recap on the day for those that find that useful. So let's just dive in. So the day was the first day back to streaming, and unfortunately, it was a red day. It was kind of my fear. I was afraid we were gonna get back, we're gonna go live, and we're gonna stream. Obviously, before this, I was having a pretty good couple weeks when I wasn't streaming, and now all of a sudden, I know I have a red day as soon as I go live again. So obviously, it's only one day, but I will be honest. If I continue just to have red days when I'm streaming, then I am going to have to legitimately reevaluate if streaming is a good idea, even though I really enjoy streaming. Maybe the psychological part of it. I don't stream my 19 funded accounts. I don't trade those live. I only trade my 150K account that you see above me. I mean, looking back at the day, I'm not upset at any trades I took. My one trade I'll quickly show, actually. Let's just quickly look at it. My first trade was right here. We had this, I was waiting for this to break above the 15-minute range, and then I was looking for it to pull back to this 1626 area that we had support at. And yeah, took a trade here, just got stopped out. I'm okay with that. This trade here is the one where I feel like, yeah, I wish I would have just given myself a little bit more room on this. It was frustrating. Again, broke out, pulled back to support. I entered here. Had my stop below this. Should have moved my stop a little lower. I mean, I say that and I kind of feel stupid even saying that, because everything in hindsight is so easy to say, and it's something that really irritates me when people do that, because in hindsight everything is so crystal clear, but when you're in the trade, you got to have I had my stop loss according to where I felt comfortable, and it hit it and just unfortunately reversed right back up to my profit target here. I don't know, it is what it is. You just got to take your losses and you got to move on. I mean, the next day, this thing could reverse all the way down, and we're not talking about it. So hindsight is always 2020, but just kind of unfortunate. This here trade was basically, so my Guardian Angel trader for this account, I have it set at $300 loss per day. Once I hit $300 loss, I'm done for the day, and that's what ended up happening. And just then the remaining of the day, I did switch to trading just trading 150K eval. That did not go any better. Took a couple again, in hindsight, bad trades. I don't know. We were in a nice uptrend, and I went in on this pullback, and it ended up being the reversal. So there you have it. Sometimes it's just how it goes. But it was frustrating. But we take the L and we move on. Again, I don't really care about the eval account. But the funded account sucks that we had a $300 loss on it. Our account balance is at $4,008, so we're about $1,000 away from that profit goal. And I'm trying not to put a time limit on it, but obviously December 1st through the December 5th is when you can put out and you can request your payouts. So in a perfect world, I would have my payout, or I'd be at my profit threshold in that window. so I can request a payout, but we'll just wait and see. Trying really hard to be patient, not to look and look at the dollar amounts that much, just to take the setups that I have and trade what I see. Try not to be hesitant and accepting a loss. That's my biggest focus right now, is making sure that I'm accepting a loss. So I feel like I did that today. Just unfortunate that it did not work. Of course, I mean, unfortunately, everyone in chat knew what was going to happen. I was reminded again today of the downsides of trading sometimes live. Everyone in chat is a genius, and in hindsight can tell you and predict exactly what was going to happen. You love it. You love to see it. It is what it is. Okay, moving to our funded account. Okay, so here, sorry, let me open TradeZella again here. So TradeZella, this is where we're at. Yeah, our biggest red day since trading this account. It's only $300. So, like I said, this is nothing we can't recover from. Obviously I would have preferred to have a $300 green day, but this is nothing detrimental. We just need to get back on that horse and not force anything tomorrow. Make sure that we don't get desperate and don't do anything stupid. So now switching to our 1950K accounts. Again, had a red day on these accounts as well. Pretty disappointed how I traded these accounts today. Got a little bit desperate toward the end of the day and ended up on this big pullback. Just ended up giving back all my profits for the day. So disappointing indeed. So ended up with about a $36, $34, $35 loss per account. Unfortunate, disappointing, but keeping the losses small. I was actually very happy with myself that I took the L. You can see here that I took a big loss on this move, and I just chose to walk away. I didn't hit I have $55 is my max loss per account on this, but I was seeing the market incorrectly all afternoon. I was being a little stubborn. Thought we'd see a move toward the highs of the day again. Just obviously didn't happen. I was a little bit stubborn with it and a little bit too biased on it. And thankfully I'm happy that I was able to just walk away, call it a day, and not that much harm done. Again, obviously always prefer to have a green day, but we all know that is not reality. We're going to have red days, so here it is. We got a red day. And moving on, tomorrow we'll be streaming again. Hopefully things will go better, and hopefully catch you on the live stream. Go live at 9:15. Also, just a friendly reminder, Apex 90% sale is ending tomorrow at midnight. So tomorrow midnight, 90% sale is over. So if you do need accounts, get them now. Don't wait. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate everyone. And thanks everyone for tuning in to the live stream today. Even though we had a red day, didn't really trade that well, I still had a lot of fun. And it was great to see a lot of old names and faces. So I still had a good time. Hopefully we can have a green day tomorrow. Hopefully. So thanks everyone. Take care and God bless.